Hello students, welcome to the Global Online. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very interesting passage from the logical reasoning section for CLAT 2026. We will first understand the passage in a simple language and then solve the multiple choice questions step by step, just like in the actual CLAT exam. Let me quickly tell you about our CLAT 2026 live batch for Global Online. This is the course which is specially designed for the CLAT. You will get live interactive classes for all subjects: legal reasoning, logical reasoning, English language, current affairs, general knowledge, and quantitative techniques. Along with that, you will receive a topic-wise test, previous year paper analysis, and recorded lectures for the revision. The entire batch fee is 5,999 and you can join from anywhere. If you are serious about the cracking CLAT 2026, this is your one-stop preparation program. Now let us begin with the today's logical reasoning, lecture 6. So the passage is given: being a consultant, your work consists of a deep examination of the company's environment and the internal system to notice inefficiencies and potential improvement, the interaction with the company's management and different sections to decipher their objective, opportunities, and processes. This means that through the use of data analysis, industry best practices, and the formulation of creative ways of solving all problems to come up with the unique solution to all problems to increase efficiency and productivity and hence increase profitability for employers. This might entail operations such as logistic redesign, business process, reengineering, adopting new applications, systems, or even community relation program. People management is the critical component of change management to make sure that all the relevant parties interpret the potential alteration positively. Also to defer orientation and create resources to explain the changes to the group and make it comfortable with the shift. The general goal is the organization's ability to continue to grow and remain relevant with the shareholders and stakeholders in the industry it operates. So let's first understand this passage. It says a company consultant is a professional who carefully studies both the company and internal system and external environment. Their main job is to find out what's not working properly. That means identifying inefficiencies and suggesting ways to improve them. A consultant works closely with the company's management and different departments. They try to understand what the company's goal, problems, and opportunities are. Then, using the data analysis, industry best practices, and creative thinking, the consultant develops new idea to make the company more efficient, productive, and profitable. So this might include redesigning logistics or supply chain, re-engineering business processes, adopting new technology system, or launching new community programs. The passage also mentions that people management is a very important with the big changes are introduced. The consultant helps everyone in the company understand and accept those changes. They create a training sessions and materials to make the transition easier. So the overall aim is to help company grow, stay efficient, and remain relevant to shareholders and stakeholders. So let's move to the questions. So what is the primary responsibility of being a company efficient consultant? Options are given: analyzing the organization structures, process, and market position, managing daily operations, hiring new employees, and conducting maintenance. So keywords in this question are primary responsibility and efficient consultant. So relevant passage portion is sentence about examining company system, uncovering efficiencies, and devising solutions to improve productivity and profitability. So we can eliminate option B, which is managing daily operations, because a day-to-day tasks are not consultant's role. Then option C, hiring, it is a specific HR's task, not a consultant's main job. Similarly, in case of option D, maintenance, which is irrelevant. Hence, the best option will be option A, analyzing organization structure, processes, and market position. This matches the passage description. So the correct answer for this question will be option A, analyzing the organization structure, processes, and market position. So let's move to the next question. With whom does a consultant work closely to understand a company's goal and challenges? Options are given. Option A, customers. Option B, higher management and various departments. Option C, external vendors. And option D, competitors. So students, in this question, the keyword are work closely, understand goals and challenges. So the relevant portion of this passage will be interaction with the company's management and different sections. So we can eliminate option A, which is customers, which is not given in the passage. We also can eliminate option C, external vendors, which is not stated in this passage. Similarly, in case of option D, competitors, it is also not given into the passage. So the best answer will be higher management and various departments. So the correct answer for this question will be option B, higher management and various departments. So let's move to the next question. Imagine yourself as a consultant and find what method you will use to develop a customized solution. Options are given: intuition and guesswork, option B, social media trends, option C, random selection, and option D, data analysis, industry best practices, and innovative strategies. So students, in this question, keywords are methods, develop customized solution. So the relevant portion of this passage will be using a data analysis, industry best practices, creative problem solving. So this is the relevant portion. So we can eliminate option A. It says intuition and guesswork, which is not professional for a consultant. Option B, social media trends, which is not mentioned in the passage. Option C, random selection, which is an illogical thing to do. So the best answer will be option D, data analysis, industry best practices, and innovative strategies. So the correct answer for this question will be option D, data analysis, industry best practices, and innovative strategies. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following might a consultant optimize to improve company's efficiency? Options are given. Option A, office decoration. Option B, supply chain management. Option C, employee dress code, and option D, lunch menus. So student, the keyword in this question is optimize and improve company's efficiency. So let's see the relevant portion of this passage. Passage says logistic redesign, business process re-engineering. So we can eliminate option A, which says office decorations. Option C also can be eliminated, employee dress code. Option D, lunch menus, all trivial compared to the logistics. So the best answer will be option B, supply chain management, which is logistic related, because logistics are related to the supply chain. So the option B will be the correct answer here. Next question is, why is communication the most relevant thing for a consultant? Options are given: to ensure all stakeholders understand the proposed changes. Option B is given: to organize consumer meets. Option C, to update the company's website. And option D, to manage the human resources. So students, keywords are communication and most relevant reason. So the relevant portion of this passage is people management for change management, ensuring stakeholders interpret change positively, create orientation and resources. So we can eliminate option B, which is the consumer meets. Option C also can be eliminated, company website update. Option D is also can be eliminated, human resource management, because these things are too general. Best answer will be option A, to ensure all stakeholders understand the proposed changes. So the option A will be correct answer here. Next question is given: what additional support might a consultant provide to help the team adapt new processes? Options are given. Option A, planning a retreat for the team members. Option B is given, training and support. Option C is given, personal counseling. And last, option D is given, mental health programs. So keywords are additional support, help adapt new processes. So the relevant portion from this passage is orientation, resources to explain changes, make team comfortable. So we can eliminate option A, planning retreat, because it is a social and not mentioned. Personal counseling also can be eliminated. Option D, mental health programs, which are not related to the adaptation, also can be eliminated. So the best answer will be option B, training and support. So the B will be the correct answer here. So guys, thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the Global Online, and press the bell icon for the regular CLAT updates. You can join our CLAT 2026 full course, Logical Reasoning, Legal Aptitude, GK and English, all at just 5,999, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.